we have found the perfect solution for you. This is I am Shaurya and this is Arush. So we store most of the valuable things at our house, and our keys can turn out to get lost and be misused by other people. So this solution will help us prevent that.
So after seeing this key problem, many people have come up with the passcode idea, that they put a passcode outside their house, and then when they put in the passcode, then the door opens. But then even that is not safe, as somebody can see the passcode. So we have created a new technology. In this technology, we don't use passcode, we use facial recognition. So when the owner comes to the house, it recognizes your face. If it's the owner of the house, the door will open. But if it's not the owner of the house, it will automatically ring the doorbell inside the house, so that the owner knows that there's somebody standing outside the door. So now we'll show you the working of our model. Now we will show you our project. So I'll just start the code.
Let us say this is the owner of the house. The owner of the house comes up to here and the sensor gets triggered. When the sensor gets triggered, the camera turns on and she is recognized as the owner, so she can get access to the house. Okay, now let us suppose this piggery again is not the owner of the house. So I recognize, let's say I am there. So let's say it's not the owner of the house. It's an invited guest. So when I come up to this point, the sensor gets triggered and the door will ring, but the door doesn't open. Yeah, and that was the door.
So this is only a prototype, and we can improve it much further. So in reality, the camera will be placed here so that you can see the person in front of it. And also you can open the app in your mobile and see who is standing outside the door. We'll also send a recording of the person standing outside. So later, if you find out there's a thief, you can send a recording to the police. Thank you. I hope you liked the project and it helps a lot of people around us in India. So this is a program. We would also like to thank STEMpedia for giving us such an opportunity to showcase our coding skills and our robotics skills. We never knew that we had such good robotics and coding skills. So thank you STEMpedia and thank you Coder.